Starting a business is exciting. You have a clear vision, but now you need a brand, a logo that will represent your unique identity. Hiring a designer can be expensive, and online logo generators only offer predefined symbols, no room for true creativity. But what if you could design your brand yourself, with a little help from an advanced AI? Introducing Logo Diffusion AI. Let's see how it works. Start by introducing your company or project information. Our AI will create unique symbols tailored to your brand. Easily remove any parts you don't like. Choose colors that match your style. Add your company or project name and watch it seamlessly integrate with your logo. Now, see your logo come to life in real-world scenarios. Logo Diffusion AI delivers your logo in all the formats that you will ever need. Don't settle for generic logos. Create a truly unique logo that you and your customers will fall in love with. Get started now with Logo Diffusion AI and design a brand that's as unique as your vision.